Hello everyone, welcome back to another new video. In this video, I'm gonna talk about the top 5 best organic barley grass powder that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal research and I try to list them based on price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below, and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Starwest Botanicals Organic Barley Grass Powder Bag. Noticeably, anyone going to the market wants the best products for themselves. Starwest Botanicals produces one of the products that we can recommend. Their supplement has a lot of nutrients packed in it. This product is among the best in the market. After taking this, one feels very relaxed and physically and mentally better. The brand is also very reliable. It is also easy to use. People might be exposed to harmful metals either in foods or water. This product helps in removing heavy metals from the body. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Optimally Organic Barley Grass Juice Powder. The next suggested product for a healthy living is this. It comes with a good fine texture. The quality of the product is perfect too. This brand contains barley grass only as their ingredient. Believe you me, the barley used is of high quality and the outcome is superb. Mostly the ingredient is dried in natural sunlight. Reason for this is to make the product pure without organic additives. It is in this line that we find this product to be appropriate for anyone. Additionally, the product has a lot of iron and folic acid. Plus it is naturally grown and easy to use. At number 3, we have the Teatox Life Barley Grass Juice Powder. If you are in search of a natural herbal product, look no further. This product by Teatox contains natural herbal ingredients. Besides, it is one of the top most recommended supplement. In this line, the product is able to cleanse and carry out healing processes adequately. The brand is made up of green barley rich in vitamins and minerals. In addition, this product is easy to use. One requires only a glass of water, juice or any smooth added to it. Apart from that, this food additive helps improve the immune system. It also detoxifies the body. At number 2, we have the Organic Barley Grass Powder by Natural Nutra. Many people these days do not want to see themselves aging. In order to ensure one maintains themselves despite their age, this product provides one with anti-aging benefits. When you make this product your choice, you will enjoy health benefits. This product from Natural Nutra increases natural energy production. The brand also improves the digestion and detoxifies the body. Apart from that, it is a certified product, vegan-friendly and raw. To add on this, the grass powder is registered with Natural Products Association. This indicates that it is purely natural and safe to consumers. And finally, at number 1, we have the YH International Premium Dr. Hagiwara's Organic Barley Grass. In this review, this product has been proven to be very healthy. This product is suitable for cold drinks. This is because it has active enzymes that can be ruined by heat. Have you ever heard of products that retain their quality longer? If not, this is one of them. Being in the market for a long period, the brand has still managed to maintain its good quality. This being one of the best brands we have, it is highly nutritious. You can use this brand to replace your vegetables. This is because it even contains a lot more than the greens bought as vegetables. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.